And apart from that, Killer got dead as thing. Seeing, and the teacher said that. So
a few moments later.
Cartel, you bite the hands that feed you, you're going to suffer. I gotta go do.
Oh my God.
May I represent for one Media Fox? Media Fox, Media Fox. How the latest news them lock? Media Fox, Media Fox. Trending, nah stop. Media Fox, Media Fox. How the latest report them?
Man, they don't know Media Fox, you know. Yeah, man, people. We don't take long, you know. Big up all of my fan base, you know. See me? Yeah, man, you know the thing said. But people, remember, I will bring back the history. Yeah, man, Bounty Killer, man. Him own son vybzkartel. This him up the wickedest. Yeah, man, people. But, we have to pre what go on. You see it, but I play some clip, I can hear what go on and listen to history. You see it? Hear people.
The article I read for particle. Well, you know what vybzkartel is all about. And God's is all about teaching the kids who have songs like make sure you go on a school. You know what I mean? You have songs like
people, that are true. Is God's are teaching kids? I don't understand. Teaching kids good or bad?
Look at the life we live in, we have songs like Mama. So right now, we just have the nation and the musical are giving them the best quality music possible from the empire.
People, I true my talk. Cause that now make no sense. Best quality music from the Gaza. Think again.
Separate and apart from that, Killer got dead as thing. Seeing, and the teacher said that. So remember last year with the coffin with the barber, we have been a new one this year. Seeing.
Yo, John, man. Man say Killer got dead as thing. Yeah, man. But people, no go and watch.
For Bounty Killer. So can I say that? I said Bounty Killer. He said I got dead as thing this year. Lyrically, nothing physical. People keep the music musical and it's entertainment. See, because you don't see the artists in the street fist fighting or chewing stone off of each other. But me, I go kill him. Okay?
So people, when you realize what go on, yeah, man. That a Bounty son, man. Cause remember, you know, if Cartel never do him little Bounty, you know, he wouldn't know for go up on the morning, you know. Maybe he wouldn't big today. You understand? But being it, Bounty Killer did forward out and respond to that. You what go on.
Never slap like Cartel. Yellow man never slap like Cartel, and those are the three most slack artists in the ever come across. Am I right? Where does it?
People, I like Bounty tell. Yo, Jano.
And then, I run a friendly competition from Cartel. You've been singing that Bounty Killer freedom and doing freedom in here and this member. You know, I'm ready. You keep singing songs, insulting me.
People, what do you think? Who would win? Bounty or Cartel on a stage? Who would win?
Sorry, everything I said went on YouTube with the whole tongue. That's when the people discover with the word in our tongue. Say Bounty Killer better than sing. Bounty Killer and Cartel, musical indifference is not a political thing. It's an empire alliance thing. But he says that he's not going to clash with you and staying not even a friendly competition. Why? Because he's like you to that.
Yo, there's something about Bounty. Man have this side about it. Man say why? Like them girly.
Dinosaur. I'm a dinosaur, old school DJ, every mountain of him. So how come you sing about the DJ in your these songs? Why you keep singing these songs about the old dinosaur? Or you remember?
Yo, one thing, you know, Bounty Killer man can't trace, you know, people. Man can't trace, so, Jano.
When you go in the recording booth, or you go and spin and say, oh, me not come like Bounty and him and come out after the let's call it Daniel. Then right after you come out, you go sing Last Man Standing, give me that. Then numerous songs after that. And all my dinosaur in the
yo, man, telling a be a provoke. Cartel provoke Bounty them in them days, you know. Yeah, man.
So you have to live up in your words, Cartel. Cartel have to give me it's not working, that's why I'm taking off of Jamaican and Black Ryan money.
Yeah, man, them time there. Bounty say man take Black Ryan and Javinci money back in them days, eh.
Not making much. I mean, but I don't sell.
Yo, man, Bounty style money, man, I say, yo, him not get much money and real straight vibe nah sell on one bag of thing. But people, we not gonna see what go on, you know. Zine, yeah, man, so these are the thing, people. You remember when Cartel people them, I guess, I don't know, buckle Bounty on stage? Yeah, man, when the pre-war go on there, so a big buckle man get me, I tell you, pre this. Yo, me I tell you, be a buckle man get, you know, be a buckle, you know. And people, this is why Bounty Killer kind of afraid of Gaza fans, you know. Me see why I'm afraid not bow back to Cartel today, you know. Yeah, man. Me say Gaza fans antagonize the man till him have to give up. Me I tell you. Yo, Bounty head lucky, you know. Me I tell you, he made lucky people. People, so look at now, after all of that, you know, I'm battling going with Bounty Killer, you know. This is the next clip now with what you call it, with Cartel. Him get it too. As him a walk out, him have to run in back, run out back at the stage. Yeah, man, I know a normal thing people a be a buckle Cartel get, cause I feel like say Bounty I get buckle and him no get it. Yeah, man, people, so Bounty Killer did do an interview, see? Yeah, man, about the battle situation, so I go play that clip there and make you hear what go on, see?
Said anything wrong. And I was trying to diffuse the whole notion of there's gonna be a showdown, because there was an article come out 2 days before the show and everybody saw it. And people building up the emotion going down there that it might be a showdown. So I was just saying, listen, don't put me in any showdown because I'm a giant and this artist is a baby to me.
But remember, people in a clip first, no, he must say, yo, why Cartel no want war him and race? So, him a ball queen now, because the man them start backling me now, on stage, him no want no war and him no want that heat there. You understand?
And I just saw Mr. Girl. Yeah, so I was shocked for a second. So that's why I never exit so quick, you know. Yeah, you know, it's after I realize I buckle them a fling. So
then you see something fly past your head, 1, 2, 3, and you realize I buckle them a fling. Cause remember, you know, the first one could have conic in your head, and then you don't see nothing else.
you didn't say anything that warrant. But in my mind, I said, don't put me in a showdown because I'm a giant and this artist is a baby to me. Yes. Okay, but where were you?
True, that's the thing, you know. Bounty, him just know say, yo, him can't go manage the fire or whatever go forward that him, you see me, because after that backling there, me don't think he want to go on the stage again.
Where would the argument though? That's where I'm going. There is not going to be a clash or a showdown because I are a giant. And I'm...
It no matter. I just say thing, it no matter if you're a giant or a clash. It no matter giant. Clash, you have a different thing. You understand?
I'm going to the show. So you had no intentions of calling up Cartel's name or in an insultive way? That was not your intent? My intent is to let them know that we are in 2 separate class and league. Yes, so that was a misconception.
But remember, say you carry man on stage and give him the highlights. So I don't understand.
In the paper. So what is your reading of why Bottles were for? Well, first, when I left the stage, I thought that someone look at it like a disrespect. Like Killer said, Cartel a baby, and him a giant, and that's a disrespect. But I'm saying, I'm here from 1993, and I bought out Cartel 2003. That's 10 years different. So I'm the first generation, and you're the next generation, so we can't be the same size in music or in personal life. I'm 39 and...
But clash, brother. It no matter age. That's the problem. It no matter age. Clash.
Cartel is 32. So, in music we are not size, and in real life we are not size. So, in my mind, I don't see it as a disrespect. I think it was a factual speech. Yes. So, I think it was overzealous fans or someone that took it personal or planned or orchestrated something to do that. But there were many battles, like Killer. Even after I exit the stage, so it looked like that person was planning to mash up the show. It wasn't just like Killer said something and I don't like it and I took it personal. What?
Yo, people back in them days, you know, yo, a beer backling usually go and you say all over Sting. Beer backling, you know. Yeah, man, all when Cartel and Ninja Man, them thing, a beer backling go on. Yeah, man, but I'm glad to say, yo, that them thing, they don't know what the music thing still.
Killer say, for you to do that, look at the mayhem and chaos it caused and the riot and the stampede. Yes. Is that what dancehall fans want to know?
But, well, that's how the thing said. You see me?
Artist said something I don't like and I'm going to endanger thousands of life and millions of dollars and mar the image of dancehall.
and endanger yourself too. Because when 15 or 10,000 people get rowdy, you can't tell them which direction not to come. And when you fling a battle off a bounty, you can't tell it if it won't go the cartel.
But this behavior, Killer, has been in dancehall from inception.
Yeah.
As long as dancehall has been around, people have been playing.
Yeah, but when they don't like something, they run a research now and look back at all the events that battle through and look at moments before the battle through if you can see like it was coming. In this case, could you see that coming? You heard I said anything that you would expect anybody to get disgusted about?
Not yet. You didn't. I didn't. Up to when you I think that what you said.
Yo, and this is the thing, you know, people. You see, it's so much buckling get on the stage. You think nobody right now could have just buckling on stage now? Big disrespect. You understand? And then him a go and like say, yo, Ray, Alkaline do him nothing or whatsoever. When them not them days, because a cartel make him a get buckle and all of them look something there. You understand? Show you say them never respect him. Him could have lose him life on the stage. You see it?
Yeah, sure, anybody expect anybody to get upset like yeah. Even if them get upset in that mood, they start to fling battle. So I think it was something that was planned. But I did a concert at Margarita.
Yeah, man, people. You see it, that's how the thing set. In them days, are not normal. So that's why I see Bounty a go on some way and it's like, me I say, yo, brother, it's like, it nah make no sense. But let me tell you people, Bounty did make a statement in my IRA, you see me? So, only let's go on.
Because Gaza are nasty people. And them principle, you know, up to our level. Yeah, bleach out, freak out.
But the thing is that you create it. You see me?
Ungodly, disloyal, man tattoo man, pan them and beat artists, take we have.
But no, who not praise him now? So what the problem?
You them money, left them to get held hostage. No, them things they work on the gully, them things they work Alliance Boulevard. So, we're glad to see Cartel and Mother come on stage and show the youths them say, yo, it ain't no animosity. It's a musical challenge and it's not a personal thing. And the kids them for us know, so listen, make music take its course and make the musical competition clean and acceptable, straight. Yeah, but nobody no come to about no go lose here and the laws and them something. The Batty Boy General League or something, and then come here with that.
Yo, a beer, but yo, Bounty, him so him love this up people. Yeah, man, him love this up people, and when him get this, you know, people say, yo, him not forget this or whatsoever. So I think said.
Go lose on the laws, and the man don't want no dirty girl from Gaza. Yeah, straight. If you know that, alliance, and we don't want to mix up with nothing. Social effort to show the people and unity, no problem. We are Jamaican, so we're not friend, we're not enemy, we are musical nemesis. So it go. And now the people have understanding and now musical competition supposed to can prevail. So we're ready for it. So
yeah, man, the war about to start. Movado and Cartel, is me? Yeah.
Just send out the fact. Anytime. Yes, I'm a ball about him now. Send him out this thing. You can't sing one bag of this song against Killer for the last 2.5 years. When Killer respond, you fly up. Too much song when they don't reach nowhere. You start back out. It can't work.
And I one thing, you know, you see me, Cartel good pan the you see the in a studio life release song him good enough, but pan stage, and not him that. You see me on a clash artist pan stage, but in a studio, yeah.
2 DJ go hard at it, one can understand my can't semester. So the people need a square off. And Cartel say Killer is an old dinosaur, old outdated artist. So why you want 9 million to kill an outdated artist? I don't want nothing to kill him, just put him out. Okay? Yeah, so last year we got sting and tell them love and them say no, them need a little blood. So this year straight, steal and slug. Straight. Boy tongue fag shut your liquor ass mouth. Man you make your hunch back up, you walk out. Pure gun show you watch and come and talk about. Talk fast cause I so you watch out. No fuck can box the killer. For that shot that you will get a gunshot for killer. Alien, watch your speech might tend up you reach.
Well, you're lucky still, lucky. So that buckle they never reach you.
Your face off a gristle 2 o'clock for killer. Your alien friend them can't pump the killer. And no batty boy could have never come the killer. You a talk about box and must see carton box. For that shot that you will get a car chunk for killer. Shot move him head back put on the front for killer. Head bubble like a hockey. From me Benelli shot him would have love to see the punk they come the killer. They don't want the boy tongue them can't style the killer. He must sing bout angel him girl a smile for killer. Shot him never tell him she bagging aisle for killer.
Why, Jano, but I tell you up on stage a different thing still, you know.
DJ me cordless and freestyle for killer. So go check if one of him kid is a real child for killer. So word tongue for shut your liquor ass mouth. Man you make your hunch back up you want.
Yo, man, I tell you, if back in them days, I would have see Cartel and Bounty go at it for see what go on, you know. Yeah, man, but I know it's a big crazy thing with that go on, you see it.
Cold, pure gun show you watch and come and talk about. Talk batty boy, yeah, so you watch out cold. Kaboom. Just send them out. Send them out. Send them out. Send them out, them for doing a lyric DVD. Them for no.
But one thing still, no, Cartel no for choosing back, you know. Yeah, man, cause I'm always go off for the week, them, you see me? Yeah. Cause enough people go off for him, but I'm over there alone, him kinda. You see me? Yeah. And I true, maybe write something from over there and thing, and he must feel like some over the Ray, but My father is ready for him long time.
Killer the W in war, my father the A, I are the blood clot are. Them for know that
Yeah man, people, in them days, I tell you, and nothing normal. You see it, but we are playing next clip still, you see it, and see what I go on.
When me run this like a bomber clad storm. Little boy, me like you, cause you rise up my vibes. Level. Cartel, you say, you hear from good source. Say me shit in an angel bed. And in our bed, in our dirty head.
Yo, you see? Yo, me I tell you, yo, Bounty, me I tell you. Man now move like general, you know. It's like the man love chase. Yeah, man will chase if I'm now till a morning, me I tell you people. When the man dey on stage, him just a yip yap, yip yap. For a man with them say them call general.
That's why me say, Beanie, kiss up me toilet. Level. You fi know, bad man no take ears. Oh, bad man say.
But he man call himself general and he talk about slackness and the young artists them are but he talk about shit na angel leather. And nastiness them the brother.
Ears say. Bad man a hear nothing. Bad man declare something. Level. Me say, angel, you no have nothing about you. You walk and sell your body like a Rizla cigarette.
Yo, me I tell the people, I be a chase the man chase, but me I play a next clip. You see me? Yeah man. You see it.
You mash up your life, idiot. Well up. Oh, me for this spragger then see you. When me know spragger long before you youth. And spragger never do you nothing. Oh, me for this assassin. When I know before you, I ask you what you want these people have. You cannot even explain it.
Yeah man, cause me I tell the Cartel is a brother and him just rush off anybody, you know. Yeah man, you and him not feeling nothing. The man they just move and do things and him not even ask question. Yeah man.
And you never gonna be a man and say, well killer, me want you to fight them because of this. You play a bitch like fishing in the fish and plant behind my back. Lever! Listen to me. Wanna see me in the paper? As a Cartel is a girl. It look disrespectful, don't? Make me explain why I said that. Lucky Angel couldn't call ladies off the singing. She couldn't call Tanya Stevens. She couldn't call Spice. And they are all female. Oh, she could call Cartel to come sing against her ex-boyfriend at about. You know your baby daddy.
Yo, man, tell you, back in the days, I joke to you, yo, Jano. Yo, that the bun you know. Yeah, man, when Cartel sing with the angel, man, Jano.
No Batman thing that. Or bad man to go sing with girl against her ex-man. You better time to sing a song with Fishy. I look like Batman a team up with Batman to fight Batman. Or Batman a team up with Falling Angel, dirty girl. Yo, that you can lose it to them.
Yo, man, I tell you, man, can't chase a freak.
Me know what get to him, you know. After killer bring him and stand up against Butcher Bank time and listen, you know. When Butcher grab the mic from you 2001 over Portmore in a boy. Yeah, come tell the boy come from Portmore. Where your Portmore friend them need when Butcher grab the mic from you?
Yeah, cause now them days, man, I think Cartel thing the, well, you see me? Heavy them time there, in a weird when him have him bad man friend them around him and them thing. Them time there, him never really have them leverage back then, you see me? Him just a forward.
Me have to say no Gargamel, the use of today is the man of tomorrow. Only for Cartel, you buy the hands that feed you, you're going to suffer. I gotta go do that. Not conquer little boy. Level. Make me warn you, mobile. Cause you say you're a bad man at Portmore. Me a bad man all over the globe.
Yeah, man, a real thing, man. You see it. I want thing everybody will rate Bounty, you know, cause you don't know. Can't say him look out for the youths, you see me, but him kinda play hypocrite more while.
Level. You, sir, Alliance, you know me, see them a road and destroy them. Me mash them up. Boy Cartel, don't send gunshot to me. Boy Cartel at 2000, you start one gun. I got vintage gun that's older than you and your son. Don't make me got to use it, little boy.
Yo, that I think, you know, you see back in them days, bag of gun thing and all of them, look, the bag of violence. That's why back in them days, a be a buckle man usually get on stage. One bag of violence, you see it. But things on time change now. You see me?
Nobody will walk side of your killer and this killer. None of them. Every general in Jamaica will bounty killer. Every ground god and goddess will the killer. Batman mean say me a blasting, can say me a god. We are gods. You never know that the female are the goddess. And the males are the god that give the god the rod. But you never know because he's a fag. Music.
Yo, man, tell you boy. Yo, boy, to the easy, like, I do some rhyming, you know. You see it? But people, see your next clip, that clip you know. Yeah, man, that clip you know is when Bounty a ball Cree, you know, Mercy. I'm tired of the Gaza fan, them a beat him, man. Yo, Gaza fan, he come like a piss in him life. But here, what I say?
People, love and unity. For me, say me I gonna leave Cartel and move out of the war department. And the people that diss me. What me say, me wrong, I'm right.
Yo, man, I'm begging on the stage, you know, people.
People don't make fight back. So this year, when me say me get mad, I know my boss. Cartel, give me this. Even my fans love cartel, but them vex with it.
Yo. I'm begging people and for ease him up, you know. That's why you see you come on the stage, you know. You hear him I say?
All of the people are glad to see him rich. Give me this. All of the people are respect the man.
Give me this.
Help and support him. Give me this. Love it. Me want kill cartel. Me and try to show cartel career. Look how much years me sit down and make cartel this, my people.
Yo, I'm begging, you know. Yo, me see why him can't. Him did have to stop, you know. Cause him can't take the pressure. I'm stressed out.
I'm right. Nobody can diss me and get me some. So why are the fans then not telling low your daddy?
Yo, me I tell him, man, a ball for you guys are fans to know me, no people. John, no, me I tell you.
Him bad and madder than everybody. Who no can't tell him? Me love everybody, you know. I mean, the youth, you know. I mean, send them around, you know. But you know why? Me say, no one about that done there. Me say, no one just know me, make Gully and me, make Gaza. When you see me, say, Plaza. When you see me, when you say, I mean,
Watch it, you know who said this too? Beanie Man, they come out and say the Gaza thing too, you know. You see me, so it shows, say, yo, these man kind of bow down to the thing, like, yo, Jano, me I tell you, that's why Cartel get leverage over them, you know, because, yo, Jano.
my father, let me tell you these people. When you see when the country gone in and home, what do you say tax pan book? Yeah, tax pan yam, tax pan banana, tax pan campan. Oh,
Watch it, man left on that man gone in a tax and one bag of thing, you know.
the girl them a go set up them something. Yo. All that people may have picked the mind, all that people in the family go say, I love the peace treaty. All that people may say the peace is a good thing for the fans them. Because the fans need to second them.
Yeah, man, peace is good and Bounty you can't manage your Gaza from them, I tell you. You're pissing in your life, you have a strong brother, you have a strong, and true, you don't really have the fans like that way. We got different thing in our street, you see me?
Self and make music take its course. I don't want nobody to make vybzkartel and move on have to be the consequence for them because of stupid behavior. I'm saying musical competition shall carry on, but with a full understanding of respect and dignity. When we say wrong or right? Right. No man, 28,000 wrong or right? Right.
But remember back in the days, Bounty, I remember when I forward with the gun thing and all them, so I mean, merciless and thing and the clash, you know, you see me? It a forward test them from Uno too. You see me? So youth them come beat them a forward, them a learn off how Uno inspired by Uno.
Fans never make the thing look wrong. Some want them to just keep on the cell, you know, the corner and make the things one. Okay? Alright. So listen me now. Hold on. Now found them never born when me a do me thing, I already do some making out the father back. Make me tell you this. And the chronicle and dancehall, and me say the gangster thing. You know what's me and the two bodies on them.
Yeah, but you say your peace. But when you start it, you know, that's why them have to come bring it in and make it more powerful.
Till one back till him feeling bad all his dad. Because his dad is so bad.
Yeah, man, a big Gaza fan. Yo, Jano. Yo, I tell the cartel the man away, brother.
So give me the doctor shape, me I get mad and teach him how we can't go. Mad and bad. I mean, Billy. I wanna encourage me and him to kill each other. But I think that is right. But I think that me should
Oh, Bounty, you the one clash, man. No, you was say why him never want clash you.
kill him and turn around and waste me energy to kill him. What is it, so? So
People, what do you think? You feel like say Bounty could have killed Cartel on a clash on a stage. What do you think about that? Cause, I don't know, you know. I don't think Bounty that really lyrically like Cartel still.
listen. Kill him or continue to kill him. Kill him or kill him. Me now you're good, man, you're big.
But maybe Bounty would have said something still, cause you don't know. You know, it's totally different from when you're there on the stage, you know, you see me, different energy.
Me not killing him. What was it? Kill him. Leave him alone. Talk shit cause your mouth is a tile.
Yo, Jano people, them days but just glad say the man them kinda the buckle thing on stage with the artists and them look thing they kinda done, you see. But people may have a next clip because we have to show the history, you know.
Plan the cartel killer clash is off. The pitch this year is you versus Bounty Killer.
No, sir.
You're denying that that's not going to happen.
No, Jamaican people, no can't see that, man. No, sir. Bounty Killer is all news right now with vybzkartel is concerned. How can the artist DJ in Jamaica clash a dinosaur? That is like vybzkartel is trying to raise the dead.
Yo, one thing, you know. You see, the thing is that Cartel is a brother. Him no want, let me tell you, him no want flap himself, you know. You see, because I see, remember when Ninja Man ran up on the stage with him, you know. Him no want go against Ninja Man. You see me? So, it's like, maybe him feel like the Ninja Man will get the more forward than him, and him no want that. You see, that's how when him move out there, do a little thing and thing, him end up run go do song. Because people them did say you have harder win. You see? But here what I must say.
And I'm not into spiritualism.
Would you also say something about rumors of a $9 million paycheck that you were requesting from?
No, straight. You don't know, you know. It's the reporter that put out that article named Dogs, and he also works closely with vybzkartel, which is the only reason why I didn't even pursue legal action against, you know what I mean, what really came out, because that vybzkartel was quoted out of context, and I did not officially say that in any statement.
So, you will be at Sting.
Yeah, man, the Sting will have to be a Sting.
So you're saying a clash will not take place?
No, it's not the mood for clashing right now, you know what I mean? It's just time to heal the society right now. And the mood of dancehall is vybzkartel, my father, Gaza Gully. I mean, Killer is not in the equation.
Where is Killer in the scheme of things?
Below the radar.
Yo, boy, I can't tell you, it's a bass style. Yo, Jano.
Flying really low?
Not flying, just below the radar. In a hangar.
So some people are saying he's more than a match for you, even though you're the young Turk. You're the person who is really kind of hard to go up against because you're quick and you think on your feet. Still, there's lots of specific experience.
Yeah, man. Well, you know, people's opinions are valid by vybzkartel to an extent. You know what I mean? But when you look at the musical aspect of it, vybzkartel couldn't really war Bounty Killer because he even himself said that vybzkartel is DJing like him at 15. So how can a man that DJing like him at 15 clash a man that is DJing like him at 40? You know what I mean? The demographics not much. So for that reason, vybzkartel would never clash Bounty Killer on a stage.
Hey, seriously, when you see this Friday,
Jano, I saw things said, but yo, Jano, them days of people, they're not normal. Yo, me I tell you, man could have jeer Bounty a freak, but me I tell you people, they're not normal. You see, but people, when I pre this, you see me, this our Bounty I do, where did I say on the fix?
Who beat people and force them and take off of the money and them stuff. When me like a cartel, how me not take them from him?
Yeah, man, back in them days, the man cartel usually beat the artist, them and them look at something, you see it? Yeah. Beat the artist, although Bounty never do that in a film days, you see it? Yeah, man.
So that's why him flow back on. Loud family, loud you them. Cause Killer not take.
Yo, remember when I tell man them send something for collect from Tamil and man a ball, you know, but Tamil you want give up as yo, him we done with the music and cut.
Not fire for boss you, and you boss you bigger than how you boss them. You're a giant when me let you go. You understand? And none of them no come this like oh.
But I not let go Bounty. Remember a cartel cut, I not let go, I not you let him go. A cartel cut.
You diss me when you come out of my camp, you understand? You ever hear Papi and this cartel so? You ever hear Tamil and this?
But Tamil and cartel know them can't this cartel. Tamil and Popcorn, them can't this cartel, you mad? He look like that you had that but they can't this cartel. Then we get paid, them know if them this cartel what will happen to them, you understand? So them not go do it.
So freaking this way, the wickedest way. Yep.
But that's the problem. Him this year the wickedest way, yes, everybody know that. But man when not this year, you have them up. Now you're about to cartel, but the man them wanna really diss you up the wickedest way. You have them up for some little simple thing. You play hypocrite, brother.
Okay. Nobody still doing nothing. You understand? So
but you know where cartel thing come with, and everybody are go rush cartel because them know where him stand for and where him usually do back then. So nobody not go really step. Majority of the artists them in a dancehall fear him. They are afraid to come say something. Even people themselves afraid to come talk and say certain things because them know what will come after that.
oh, people make them have them freedom, man.
But I saw things setting up people. Yeah man, you don't know media facts. Are the history that people is it? Yeah man, Bounty and him son vybzkartel. Yeah man, him diss him up wicked man. Yeah man, but you don't know if you make the people them know what go on all over band where they just know and see what go on say yo. But then thing they different man, back up on stage and one bag of thing. But people don't know things setting up. Yeah man, that is it.